Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can recall messages in Outlook. So firstly, open up your Outlook account. Then go to your recently sent email. But you should keep this information in mind that the email can only be recalled if the recipient have not yet opened the email in his end. So moving on, how you can actually recall a message. Just double click on your sent email and it should pop up a new window. Then click on the three dots icon. Then click on the drop down then click on actions. Then select recall this message. Now Outlook will pop up a new window in which you have some options. So let's go through it. So the first option is delete unread copies of this message, meaning only the unread copies of these emails will be deleted from the user's account. And the second option is delete unread copies and replace with a new message, meaning you can delete and re-edit this email and send them back. So the last option is tell me if recall succeeded or failed for each recipient. If you check this option, Outlook will send you an email or a notification on that very same email by telling you that were you successful or not in recalling the email. So just check the column and I will recall the message and replace it with a new one. So just click on that and then I will press OK. So as you can see, it opened a new window and now I have the access to re-edit this particular message and send it back. So if you see closely in the old message, you will find that there is a notification saying you tried to recall this message on Sunday and the date and time of your particular time zone. So after re-editing your email, what you have to do is just simply press send. And it will send a new email to the recipient. So as you can see, it sent a new email and replaced it with the old one. So that's all. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.